In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out in Google Vids. Navigating the digital landscape requires us to constantly adapt and learn new skills, particularly when it comes to the tools we use every day. Google Vids, a component of the Google Workspace, is a powerful platform for creating and sharing video content, whether for professional or personal projects. However, mastering its features can sometimes be a bit tricky, and that's exactly why we're here. To guide you through the process of zooming out in Google Vids, ensuring that no detail, no matter how small, is overlooked. Let's dive into the process, shall we? The first step in this journey is to visit Google Vids. You can easily find it by typing Google Vids into your preferred search engine, or heading straight to the Google Workspace and selecting Google Vids from the array of available applications. Once you've arrived at the Google Vids homepage, you're ready for the next step. Now you will need to log into your Google account. On the Google Vids homepage, there will be a prominent sign in button waiting for your click. It's through this gateway that the realm of Google Vids truly opens up. Clicking sign in will prompt you to choose which of your Google accounts you wish to use. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the one associated with the work or project you're currently tackling. After choosing your account, you'll find yourself in the main interface of Google Vids. This is where the real magic happens. Whether you're here to edit a video, review a collaboration, or just explore the features, knowing how to navigate the interface is key. It's time to direct our attention to zooming out, a simple yet crucial maneuver for getting the broader view of your work. Notice the zoom icon located in the ribbon, an unassuming yet powerful tool at your disposal. By clicking this icon, you have the ability to adjust your view, bringing more of your video into perspective. This feature is particularly useful when you're working with detailed content or trying to get a sense of the overall flow of your video project. A simple click can dramatically change your viewpoint, offering new insights into the work at hand. However, what if you've zoomed in too much and want a broader view again? Here comes a neat little trick: right-clicking to zoom out. This action is counterintuitive to many, as we're often accustomed to right-clicking, opening up context menus, or offering additional options. Yet, in the universe of Google Vids, it serves as a quick and efficient way to step back and see the bigger picture. It's worth emphasizing the simplicity and utility of this feature. A single right-click can reverse the zoom, allowing you to swiftly transition between a focused and a broad view. This functionality enhances your editing process, offering speed and efficiency without sacrificing control over your project. As we wrap up this tutorial, remember that mastering Google Vids, like any software, comes with practice and patience. The ability to zoom in and out effortlessly is just one of the many features that make Google Vids a robust tool for video creation and editing. Don't hesitate to experiment with different features and tools. Exploration is a key part of the learning process. I encourage you to practice these steps, familiarize yourself with the intricacies of Google Vids, and soon enough, navigating and manipulating your video projects will become second nature. Remember, every great project begins with a solid understanding of your tools. Keep practicing, stay curious, and most importantly, don't be afraid to dive deep into your creative endeavors with Google Vids. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope it has shed some light on how to efficiently zoom out in Google Vids, making your video editing process a bit smoother. Whether you're working on your next masterpiece or just tweaking a video for friends and family, knowing how to manipulate your view quickly and effectively can make all the difference.